What's going on YouTube? Taylor Grayson 33. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of some shorts that I got custom made. It's the pair that I have on, but I also ordered another pair with my last name across the front. The company is Fansidea. They make jerseys, shirts, hoodies, all that good stuff. Mostly athletic apparel, customized, things like that. So we're gonna open this up and we're gonna see what these look like. So this pair, I went with the pinstripes with my last name and my number, everything stitched on it. It's very nice. It does have pockets, it's heavy, it's thick, so they are very good quality shorts. So these, I went with the black and red again. And the drawstrings are white, you see there. And the number on the side, 33. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, which ones you prefer, if you like the pinstripe or if you just like the black, red, and white. This company, they're about 60 bucks a piece. I think $56 is what I paid. It's shipping, taxes, everything. So yeah, check them out. They are very good shorts. This is a size medium. I'm 6'2", 175 pounds. So yeah, I went with the medium, just right above the knee. So they are very good quality. Don't forget to like and subscribe, drop any comments below, and thanks again for watching. So this first picture is of the second batch of shorts that I did receive, and then this one here, you see that the pinstripes are actually lines, but as you look closer, the pinstripes are actually zigzags, and that's something that I was not really okay with and kind of shocked, so they made it right and sent me that first pair. The lines are straight, they're just zigzags, so they did take care of me.